So my name is Zorila. I'm the director of this school here in Algorithmics Bourgoin-Jallieu. We are in our classroom. This is where we have our programming classes for our students who are 6 and older, up until 18 years old. We offer a wide range of activities. It's not just programming, we also have English classes with our partners from Kids&Us Lyon, and they are the ones who animate our activities in English, 100% in English for kids of all ages, starting from 1 year old to 18 years old. Besides the fact that we offer a variety of programs and activities, we like to combine logical thinking with problem-solving skills, creativity. So our classes combine coding, math, and storytelling to help students learn and be passionate about programming. What makes us unique is the fact that our classes are interactive, they are hands-on. Kids get to prepare their projects on their own, which gets them really excited. So there's this sense of autonomy as well. They give a presentation in front of the class, and we also try to make them understand that learning can be fun. I know it sounds like a fairy tale, but when students come through the door, they come with a smile, and this is what we're going for. So with plugin design, we have worked to put into place our screens. We have a total of 3 screens. 2 of them are here in Bourgoin-Jallieu, and 1 of them is in the Kids&Us school in Lyon. We have 1 screen like this in each classroom. It helps us to carry on our lessons. We use it for everything. From my own experience as a teacher, normal whiteboards can become very messy. So kids like to write with the markers. Sometimes they write on themselves, on their clothes, even on the walls. So that can become messy really quickly. I think that our screens right now are so much more efficient. It allows us to carry on with our lessons. We can use the whiteboard mode, so that part is covered. It also allows us to show videos, to show presentations. It makes it so much more interactive for kids. So it's so much easier for us to get their attention. Children love them. They adore the screens. They want to have the chance to use it all the time. Sometimes some of the kids ask their parents to come later to pick them up, just so that they can use the screen a little longer. And they enjoy doing little drawings and play games on it. They are just so mesmerized by how we can erase with our hand. They also like the various functionalities, such as changing the colors, changing the thickness of the pen, using the highlighter, the eraser. They find all these creative ways of using it, and sometimes they show us some of the tricks they have learned. We also use the screens in the classroom for exercises on the Algorithmics platform. So that means that they come and they type information, they work on Scratch or they code in Python directly on the Algorithmics platform thanks to the board. We also use the board in the classroom to show videos. So this is so much more efficient than having, let's say, a video projector and a normal whiteboard. It went really well. It was quick, and we have received a training on how to use the screens afterward on all the functionalities. So that was excellent. Of course, after that, we needed a little time to play with it ourselves and to figure out all the tools that we had there. I think it takes a few hours or maybe a couple days to understand how this works and get used to it. But as I said, 6-year-old kids can use it and it's intuitive for them. So it's very simple to use overall. Teaching definitely became more enjoyable with the screen just because it gives us the freedom to do so many creative things. I think that now I couldn't go back to just the whiteboard. I would definitely recommend this to everyone who teaches. I think this just adds so much more value to our lessons, makes it more interactive and more fun.
Avec l'écran interactif Samsung Flip, on libère le potentiel des élèves. Les enseignants disposent d'un outil intuitif, personnalisable et riche en ressources pour capter l'attention et améliorer l'engagement des élèves. L'apprentissage devient plus ludique, plus interactif et plus collaboratif. Le Flip encourage également la créativité en classe, comme on le voit concrètement à l'école de programmation Algorithmics. Avec notre partenaire Plugin, nous sommes fiers d'apporter ce nouveau standard de simplicité et de performance dans le monde de l'éducation, pour une transition au numérique réussie.